Hey everybody, in today's video we are talking about deep linking in affiliate marketing, and today as my co-host is my daughter's balloon animal that she got yesterday at the first day of school orientation. So deep linking. Now you may or may not already be in affiliate marketing, and this term may be familiar to you or not, and I'm not gonna lie, I've been in this business for the last year and I never actually understood what deep linking was. I just thought it was something more complicated than it really is, and I wasn't sure that I knew how to do it or could I do it, and it turns out it's something that I've already been doing. I just didn't know that's what it was called. So when you are an affiliate, you may be referring people, customers, viewers to the main website or to specific products. So if you are sending people to Amazon.com, that is a general affiliate link. And then deep linking is when you actually send the customer to a specific link. So you create a link that is specific to that product, and then when the customer clicks on it, they go not to the store in general, but they go to the page where it is that they can buy that product. Now there can be good and bad reasons to do this. It could be that for your particular affiliate program, you might get paid more in the event that a customer buys a specific product that you refer them to. And I think this is the way it is with Amazon, for example. If somebody goes to the general website after clicking on one of your links and maybe they end up somewhere else, you may or may not make a certain percentage of the commission versus if they go to a specific product that you referred them to, you may get a different percentage for doing that. So you may want to just be really specific about what it is for your particular affiliate program that you are referring people to. And you say, well, how do I create deep links? Like, how do I do this? And every affiliate program is going to be different as far as what you can refer people to and what sort of resources they have. They may have just a specific affiliate link that gets people to their web page, and then they just go on and encourage people to buy the specific product, and you can't deep link to a specific product to get them there. Or they may have tools where you can create links to all different kinds of products. Physical products stores, the big ones like Amazon, they are happy for you to send people to specific products because you're talking about that product in your content, and then people click on the link because they want to go and buy that particular product. But some other affiliate programs may not give you the option to deep link to a specific product, and you'll be limited to referring them to the main website, and then from there the customer will go off and get what it is that they want, and you can't refer them to the specific product. So deep linking, again, just check your affiliate program and see what the options are as far as links that you can create. And it turns out that deep linking isn't as complicated as I thought it was. It's not really anything that I haven't already been doing. I just didn't know that that's what it was called. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I feel pretty silly for having had to make this video and for having had to do the research myself, because it was a really easy question to answer. Always, I'm leaving a link to some free affiliate marketing training that you can do if you haven't got started yet in affiliate marketing and you want to. So thanks so much, everyone. We'll see you in the next